How to switch back to personal account on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Facebook and switching back to personal account on Facebook means simply turning off your professional mode. After that, tap on your profile icon. And as you can see, I have a professional dashboard shown here. That means my account is a professional account for now. And in order to turn it off and switch back to personal account, all you have to do is tap on this three dot right over here. Now you will see an option of turn professional mode off. Tap on it. Then tap on continue. And it will show you all the changes that will be made to your account when you switch off your professional mode. So if you want that and if you are satisfied with the results, simply tap on turn off and confirm like this and done. Now refresh your account and now there is no professional dashboard, so that means your profile is back to a personal account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.